This conference will now be recorded.
So I just want to have a couple of minutes again in joins because people always have a confusion, and only if you know joins, then you can say you are expert in SQL. So yesterday we saw about left joins. I mean, we need to use join for the purpose of in order to get information from some other table. So let us have a refresh session now. So you got two tables. Now you are doing a left join here to get the related information. This product, whatever he purchased. So is there any rules like how many tables we need to join? So we have got here a transaction table, fact internet sales. Okay, this guy contains all the references like customer key and what is the sales territory key. Territory is nothing but your region. So this guy has got only the references. The values are available here. So say for example, I want to know this customer, what are the products he brought and in which location he has brought. Okay, so this column, and this column. So in order to get this particular customer name and what are the products he has brought and what is his location, physical location he has brought. So in order to get this one, I need to join three tables to get this information. Okay, so how to do that? So obviously we will select all those tables here. We'll list down all those tables. So this is the first table. As I said, I want a customer, I want product, I want sales territory. Okay, select star from. So usually in order to sense the data, what data it contains, so just put select top 10 rows or top 2 rows for now to get what are the information we need. So people will ask, I want a customer information and what products he has brought and from which location. Like this only people will ask. You need to see what information we can provide. Some cases it will be specific. They will provide exact column names what they want. I need customer name, I need customer location, and I need this product category, something like that. In some cases, they won't provide anything. You need to grasp all the information. Okay. So this is what you have in this table. So this is your transaction table, the customer, product, and what is the purchase price of it, and is there any discount amount, discount price percentage, product standard cost, all those things are available here, and when it got ordered, when it got shipped, all those information is present here. This is your transaction. Then this is your customer information. Customer information have a name, birth date, email address, what is his income, all those things. Then product code is there, what is the description of it. Then sales territory, it contains the country name and group. Let us have in our report, we will have a customer name and his email address. Then from product, I need a product name, and from region, I will have a country. So these are the things I need from this transaction for this customer. Okay. First of all, if the people ask like for John V. Young, I need all those information, or they can ask from United States who are the customers, from this particular product adjustable race who and all has brought. So if they ask like this, you need to join all these possible combinations. You need to ensure that one. So back to our question. So for this customer 21768, they will not ask like 21768. Maybe we need to find for one particular customer what is the 21968, where customer key equal to, you can put it in quotes or integer. I mean, if it's integer, no need to put. So people will ask like for Cole A. Watson, can you give me all this list? Okay, something like this. They will ask a question like this. So let us do it in a query. So first of all, I need to have this table, then left join. There can be any order, guys. There is no specific order here because I want all the transactions first. So I will put all the transactions will be included. Then I do the left join of customer. So first I will put fact internet sales. I will put FCT. For customer, I will put CUS. So I hope you remember what is this. This is alias name. Left join on fact, sorry, FCT dot customer key dot customer key. Now what this will result, I will get a transaction details. After doing this join, my output will be another new table that will have all the columns in the fact internet sales and what are the customer attributes of it. So customer dot cust dot, maybe I will put the customer information first. First name, middle name, last name. Okay, let's keep it like this. So when I select this one, got everything because I have all the data here. I didn't filter for this particular customer. When I want to filter it, this guy, okay, customer Collier Watson, I need to split. Instead of Collier Watson, I can use the customer key. I have already find the customer key here, so I can use that one where customer key equal to this one. So now instead of see here it's showing error because I got a customer key from fact table, also from customer table. So from which table you are referring, that you need to say, otherwise it will say ambiguous column name. So you can specify either of them. I'll go for customer dot customer key equal to this. So this guy has purchased only two times. I mean, it's not purchase. Okay, he purchased twice, only two times. See the order number. It starts with 436 and 562. So two times, and you see the order date also. It is different. 2010 he had one entry. In 2013 only he returned back. Now, what are the products he purchased? Can you able to get it from here? No. Where that information available, you have a product key and you have a fact dot territory key, sales territory. Okay, so whether you can get those information from here, I minimize the table columns, whatever we are focusing on. So this guy has brought two products and he belongs to this region. So we not to get what is this country belongs to. First, we'll go for product. What are these products he has brought? That information is available in dim product. So get these two guys, I mean this particular table, left join. So your output table joining with your output table, this is your output table, join with this product. Okay, left join product on. So where is this key? Product key. That product key exists in fact. Product key equal to product dot product key. Now once you join this one, what will be the output? You see here, product dot star. I put all the columns. I have brought all the columns from product. Why? Fact dot product key. Product dot product key. Oh, sorry. See, I have to filter. I mean, I need to use where condition. Okay. Now you see for this product key, this is till this it's from fact table. After joining, you got for 310 and 600 product. What is its attributes? You got it in a table. This is your left join. See, left join here will take all the inputs from here. Okay, all the inputs. What is the output of this two? I mean, when you have a where condition here, okay, you need to have where condition. What happened? Okay, this table doesn't include it now. See, that is the purpose of your left join. So this is your output. Okay, for these two products, okay, what is my data? So you can have multiple data here. In your left table, you have only two records, but in your right table is nothing but your product table. Left table you have only two records. In your right table you have 600 records. It doesn't matter. Once you do the join, okay, it will give you the results. This is your var condition. See, without this var condition, it does for all the records. I mean, all the 60,000 records for this fact table. This var condition filters it. If you see, if I put this var condition here, you got my point. What I'm trying to convey is, typically this first query is giving me 60,000 records, all the records. Var condition is filtering for only John. And the second product table, if I join without var condition, it is returning for all the 60,000 records. When you use this var condition, it is filtering only customer key. That is what it is happening. Left join. Okay. Now obviously you need to have this guy. Now I got product information. I don't want anything else except the product English name. So just keep product English name. Again you run. Now this is fine. So what about the territory key? Territory key is 6. Again you need to do left join. Territory key is in this table. On fct dot sales territory key. See, let us go one step back. Sales territory key is 6. So in this record, instead of 6, what values you need? You need the country. What is the value for sales territory key is equal to C. 6. We will see that one. Sales territory key equal to 6. So sales territory key is 6. What is the country name? Canada. Okay. Canada, I am expecting in this output. Territory dot sales territory key. Now I didn't see, once you join it, it will not obviously come. You need to select what columns you need. Okay, you need to explicitly specify, but internally it has created another table with those columns. Country. Now you need to query like this. So now you got Canada here. So you use this product keys as a joining column. Once you got the desired output, you can remove those keys. Keys doesn't have any meaningful information. Okay. Now this is your final output. If they ask for Cole Watson, he has purchased these two products. He from the location Canada. This is your output. So joins, there is no restriction that number of joins you can make. It's not only two tables. From a single table, whatever columns it refers, you need to get the missing information in another table. I mean, if the information is missing in the same table, it is available in another table. You find the link, then you use appropriate joins. See this condition from here, fact.customer key, customer.customer key. And from here, fact.product key in dim product.product key. From here, you have a sales territory key and dim sales territory key. This is again a simple example for using multiple tables in a joins. Okay. Any doubts, guys?
No.
Okay, great. Important concept in any SQL. Once you have familiar with joins, then you are done. You are expert in SQL. So left and right doesn't matter. You use instead of using right join, you swap the tables and use. Okay, full join we already seen. Then we'll see something in self join, union, all those things. Okay. Okay, guys. Now you see customer 1 and 2, John, Abdullah, all those things. Now I want to combine the results of these two. Okay. Instead of this, I will have another record inserted. Insert into the query. Maybe quickly I will do that things. So I'm not specifying the column name here. I mean, instead I will directly put the values. So I taught you about values. Instead, you can also have a select 1, comma, instead of 1, I'd say 3, Naga, Bangalore. Check 24. You can specify like this also. Okay. Now what I'm trying to do is like, you got customer information in two tables, table 1 and table 2. These kind of scenarios will come, you have multiple branches. Some people will have a branches wise information. If their application is legacy system, they use I mean they have information scattered in different places. At the end they want to merge informations. Okay, now I want to combine and see both the customers, and there can be chances like I have a duplication also. These two customers over here, these two customers over here, but I want a unique values. Are just first of all we will see how to combine these two results. So you cannot do the join means this information, okay, will come to your right side, this side. This information will come to your right side as an attachment to the existing records. It will again pick your table, okay, result set, but it is an attribute. It becomes attribute of this particular column if you do the join. But when I want to get the same results as 1, 2, 4, 5, and it should result as 3. I mean, concatenate the results. I want to add a row. I don't want to add a column, extra column. Okay. For that, you need to use set operations like union, union all. So let us do union all. So you need to execute as a whole, then only you will get exact output, expected output. So what is the result, guys? So you have table 1 and this is your table 2. The combined results is nothing but you merged the records, rows, okay, not as a column. And again, this will result you a new table. So this is your union all operation, okay. And there are some cases like I don't want the duplicates. So this 5 and 6 and 1 and 2 is exact duplicate. In that case, I don't want duplicate means just you do the union. Remove this all condition. That will give me the unique values. Now you see this is union all. It combined 3 plus 4 plus 3, 7 records. So 7. And union, what happened? It skipped the duplicates. 1, 2, 1, 2 here. It skipped it and it gave me only the unique records. So how it skipped all those things? This union will take care. The union program is written. I mean, this program is already written. So this is your union and union all. And there are some cases like you have a customer here and you have customer over here. I want to identify those are not exist in B table. So I want 4 and 5. Okay. In that case, take to this guy. I just put except. So what happens from the table 1, I will compare with table 2. I want those who are not exist in table 2. So I got 4 and 5. And if you do the vice versa, so 1 and I mean to say, I want those who are does not exist from table 1. I mean table. What I'm saying is I want this result from table 2. I want the customer who does not exist in table 1. Then just swap the table. I'll run together. So first result is table 1 except table 2. Second result, I mean this result is nothing but 4 and 5. And the next query I have written table 2 except table 1. So this resulted me 3. Now go back. Got you guys? Hello? There?
Yes, Naga.
Okay. Union, intersect, except. Yeah, intersect I didn't tell you. So now we saw about union, union all, union and except. That is something like, so it's like a set operation, guys. You already understand about set operation. You have a circle here, you have a circle over here. Then in between, what is a common factor in between? Same thing. Whatever we have a set operation, that is what it's happening in SQL. How you approach it in table level. Now, final thing is like intersect. Intersect. Any guesses? What it will do? Without, I will not execute intersect. What is intersect will do? Hello, I'm asking because you guys are watching. You guys are listening or not? So intersect, any idea, guys?
No, I don't.
No idea. So earlier we saw like whichever not exist in this or either in the table one or table two, and we need to combine all those things. There is sometimes like we need to find what are the common items in this two tables. So one and two is your common items. Okay. So that is what intersect will do. So one and two is your result. Okay. This is your intersect.